Bonjour, hello, welcome to Mac's Mountain World. Bonjour, hello. Okay, I just got news that my car is ready to be collected from the garage. Good news. The only problem is, living up the mountain, I need to get a lift down for it, and the company car, I just missed it, has already gone down. So my method of transport today to go down and get it will be no vehicles as such yet. I'm just walking down from Les-Orres 1800, the little station at the top where I live. Take a wander down, about 10-15 minutes walk down to the bottom end, and there should be some vehicles down there. The big delivery vehicles are quite well known about here, quite well known amongst the delivery drivers, so I'm keeping quite positive on this one. It's a nice day for a walk. Quite keen to get the car back tonight. There's some storms coming in tomorrow, so might have the opportunity to go storm chasing. A little bit further down the road, and signs of some activity. Some vehicles here, a couple of them are workers' vehicles, so you never know, I might be able to catch one of them and they head down the mountain. And keeping positive. Now, whilst I've got the camera running, one good signal that storm's coming in is the arrival of high clouds, and these are coming from the same direction as the storms are predicted on the television. So they're not quite high enough to be in the Gulf Stream, but they are coming in, and at that sort of altitude you could have some good stuff tomorrow and the day after. So we'll see. The forecast kind of changed a bit to accommodate this, but that's what happens. The forecast is deadly accurate 1 or 2 days before, but usually further apart you're just getting a general idea. So let's go and see if we can find any vehicles on the move. Kind souls who take pity on a mere Scotsman trying to get down the mountain. Stick the thumb out and see. No. Tourists. Stick the thumb out. Bonjour, je descends en bas, mais petit à petit suffit aussi. Juste ici, le pont.
Non, juste là au RIB, au dépôt.
Je peux?
Ouais, mais
Ouais.
moi,
Petit à petit suffit aussi. Mon chef. Non, petit à petit suffit. Peut-être qu'il y a plus de voitures en bas. Il y a les voitures qui sortent ici,
je vais te descendre plus bas.
Oui, c'est...
Voilà, mais je vais un peu plus bas.
Ok. Non, c'est gentil ça,
Parce que
merci.
normalement, on n'a pas le droit de prendre du monde.
Oui, je sais, mais
Ouais.
les
Là,
montagnes
on
sont
est
un peu
en
différents. Mais ici, il suffit pour moi.
Non-assistance à personne en danger.
Je suis
Je
pas
leur
en
dirais que
danger.
tu es en danger alors que je
C'est
suis en
une
danger.
belle journée, c'est...
Ben oui. À partir du moment où tu es au bord de la route, tu es en danger.
Je sais. Ah, ça c'est une raison, j'ai un peu de desperation pour récupérer la voiture parce qu'elle était dans le garage.
La Saxo?
Oui, le Saxo. Entretien, 2-3 soucis. So, advantage of being further down the mountain obviously is there's more chance of more vehicles coming down, so I'll just get down below this junction and find somewhere that's one's going up, find somewhere that's going to be safer for people to stop. Obviously I can't expect people to stop on the inside of a sharp bend. problem with as the guy was explaining there, with the company vehicles, the local commune vehicles, is it's actually illegal for them. They don't have insurance for taking passengers. But we'll see what we can do. Here's another one coming, so we'll give him a shot. No, that's the problem with him. He can't do it. He doesn't have insurance for carrying passengers. That guy was okay though. He was saying, yeah, up the mountain it's a bit different, it's off season, and yeah, okay, so I reckon just round this corner I've got a place where I can safely expect someone to pull in for me. Next to this, I'll just wait here. Don't know what this is, must look into this. OC or commune or something, I don't know, I'll find out. Tourists. No. Tourists. No. Oh, it's these guys. Wow. Beautiful stuff. Thumb is out. No, he's on the phone anyway. Slow driver must be a tourist, I would say. Oh wow, that was the Guardians, and didn't recognise me.
Attendez, je vais enlever ça, c'est parce qu'en fait quand je fais monter mon chien,
Oui, mais j'ai les vêtements de travail, peut-être c'est mieux pour laisser là-bas.
Non, ben le chien quand même.
Ok.
C'est pire.
Voilà. Merci pour l'arrêt.
Je vous en prie.
C'est juste à côté le
Au
rond-point.
D'accord.
C'est le Citroen Peugeot. Super, merci, c'est gentil.
Au revoir, Mike.
Au revoir. La prochaine peut-être. Okay. Wow. Look at that. That's nice. That is very nice. British too, or British thing, maybe. British people living in France, it looks like. Yeah, right-hand drive too. Okay, on to the garage Citroen. This is garage Renault, and the Peugeot Citroen garage is the one after it. And the garage Citroen Peugeot. Okay, that took 3/4 of an hour. Not bad. Normally it's about 20 minutes by car. Where is she? Don't know where the car is. Ah, up the back there, I think. Oh, there she is there. Bonjour. Ça va?
Et vous?
Très bien. Guess who's back? Ek is back. Yeah. Now I'm just on a bit of private lane here, so I'm able to hold the camera. I don't have all the gear with me, so I'm not going to drive like this. But yeah, she's back. She's working. She's good. And next stop will have to be to sort out that situation. So just heading for the fuel station. I've had my advices from the mechanic on how to keep things good. Lovely to have the indicators working again. At least people won't mistake me for a BMW. There's one that's using its indicators. That's very rare. And then the good juice, which is really strange. I can't see the LCD through the glasses. But then again, the glasses cam, they're Polaroid. Right, filled up, almost. Still sufficient to show a full tank. Great. Next stop, supermarket, car department, and get some engine cleaning stuff. Okay, here we go. Well, she's running nice so far. Started well. First turn as usual, and no roughness, so got the final instructions to use the good juice, the 98 octane, and also to use as more revs, which will be done. Got netayons essence, that will do, and one for the injection petrol. Why not? Get the two. Now I'm not going to put these in just now for two reasons. One, I'm going to let the fuel go down a bit with the trip up the mountain, as well as I'm going to do a bit of RTFI, which is related to RTFM. RTFM is read the manual. RTFI is read the instructions. And I think now I'm going to have to be a bit less lazy and do a lot more gear changing manually. Keep the revs up a bit more, that's been my instruction. It's quite a strange one. It's the first time in my life that I've come across a problem with a car because I haven't been driving it fast enough. In my younger days I had a lot of problems with cars because I'd been thrashing them too much. Oh well, life's a learning. Oh well, get some fun out of the car. Until I get stuck behind something. 40,000 kilometereth birthday gift. Garage bill for €750. Oh well. One thing I'm noticing is that at revs it doesn't sound quite so thrashy as it did. I've just done a couple of accelerations up to 5.5 now, and she seems much more happy to do that. So when I put these cleaners in, I'll take her down the motorway for a good stint, burn off some fuel, burn off some engine products, and we'll see how she runs after that. But generally speaking, I'll be a little bit faster and using the revs a bit more by manually changing gear. Definitely happier doing that. Sounded like I was killing it when I did it before, so there is a difference. I've just zeroed the trip. It'll be interesting to see what effect all that stuff has on the economy. So let's get it down the garage and get all my gadgets back in it. So back in the man cave, and a little summary of the events of the Saxo. And it seems like all the operations were a success. They couldn't get the lens for the glass for the fog light, although the mechanic did reckon that a mate of his might be able to do something with the second-hand network, Citroen, whatever. Not too bad, it still works, it's not that obvious, it's tucked under the bumper, so the rest is fine. And I've taken it out, I've done the treatment, it's had a full tank of petrol put in, the good stuff, the 98 juice. And I've taken it out for a little bit of a thrashing, a throw around, make sure it's all mixed in well with the fuel. So the next time will be a little run down the motorway, I think. We'll see. Anyway, Mission success, Eck is healthy once again. Joy.